All right, we got our hands on ASUS Prime graphics card, the Radeon RX 9060 XT. Let's unbox this. You know, I honestly thought there would be some cables or something, and maybe this was like just a little cover, but clearly I'm wrong. Starting off with the little black sleeve. Let's see what's inside. For some reason, we've gotten two thank you cards. I guess it's ASUS's way of saying thank you twice. We've got the warranty card. Obviously, a long piece of paper. And then we have got the quick start guide, which should take us through connecting the GPU and everything inside. Okay, time to unwrap this GPU. In terms of GPU, we are looking at a 3-fan design on this GPU. Connectivity, we have got 2 display ports and an HDMI port, giving us a total of 3 connections on this GPU. With regards to the power connector, we have got an 8-pin connector. We've got a dual BIOS, which is obviously your performance mode and your quiet mode. And as usual, the standard X16 connector running on PCIe 5.0. And one thing that does fascinate me on this board has to be how small this PCB is. I mean, if you look here, it's almost half of the card. One of the things I noticed on this GPU was these 3 screws over here. Now, the thing about these 3 screws, this is obviously for an anti-sag bracket, which actually puts that bracket fixed onto the GPU, preventing it from moving around by accident. You just have to love that peel you get when you are getting a new GPU. I mean, I do feel that there's sometimes nothing like it. It's just that pleasure of peeling off the stickers on these cards. ASUS is being freaking sneaky with their GPUs. I mean, look here. Where the bloody heck am I supposed to peel this off? And it clearly says remove protective film before use.